welcome to my channel. Received this cute Mother's Day card from my lovely son. I'm going to unbox it. It's a pop-up card. Let's see what's inside. Here's their catalog. There are many designs to choose from. Here's the greeting card. Oh, there are Mother's Day messages for me. Nice and sweet. These paper cut butterflies are gorgeous. Can't wait to assemble it. And here's the pop-up bouquet. Let's see how to pop it up. Oh, there's an instruction here. It shows push to open. I got it. Wow, this is amazing. There's a card here. Oh, cool. The company will plant a tree for each product sold. Alright, time to put up these beautiful butterflies. Take it out. Fold it. Put it on. Wow, that's super easy. I'm going to put up all the other butterflies. It's so fun. I can put them anywhere I want. Done! It looks amazingly beautiful. Let me know if you will get one for yourself or your loved one. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Do check out my other videos. Please subscribe to my channel.